This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, October 2nd, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a trough axis just to the west of the state. This is going to be bringing the system into the area today. This is also going to be bringing a lot of cold air out of Canada straight into the Midwest and the western Great Lakes. But in the meantime, today we'll have periods of showers and a few isolated thunderstorms. Some heavy rain is possible, but the best chance of that looks to stay in Missouri and in Illinois. Highs today, 60s north and west to the low and mid-70s south and east. Say goodbye to those, because cold air comes in Friday. Could see some isolated showers in the northeastern counties. Highs struggling in the upper 40s to middle to upper 50s. Could see the same on Saturday. Friday night, we could see a rain-snow mix in our far northeastern counties. Could see lows dropping near freezing Saturday morning, only rising into the upper 40s to mid-50s during the day Saturday. Sunday, not much different, maybe 50s across the state to maybe a low 60 or 2 in our southwestern counties. A few partly to mostly sunny skies on Sunday. Then this low pressure center, which is with the original system, is still spinning around. Disturbance comes around the base, could kick off some isolated showers or so here on Monday. Highs could be held down with the amount of clouds. And that system to our north is still nearby, could bring some clouds in our northeastern counties, but the rest of the state should see some sunshine with highs mainly in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And then Wednesday, that system finally gets out of here. But as you can see, a new low pressure center is forming near the Kansas-Colorado border. The winds are starting to turn out of the south. The Gulf begins to open up. And as you can see, by next Thursday, pretty much a zonal flow at this point, with a disturbance moving into Oregon and Northern California. But it's what you don't see is what's coming. You have Gulf of Mexico moisture coming in from the north, a small disturbance coming up, and this could spark off some showers and maybe a thunderstorm on Thursday as that system moves through. Timing this out could be a little different. We'll wait and see in coming models. But going into the extended period, October 13th, a big trough over the west, the plains, the Rockies, strong ridge over the south and east, winds south out of the south and west. That's going to be bringing up a storm system with some showers, thunderstorms. Too early to determine severe weather this far out. Cold air coming down from the north. Could see some snow in Montana and even maybe in the Dakotas. And then this system lifts out, and even by the 17th, you can still see the trough pretty much from about the Rockies eastward, a 588 ridge over the far west coast back into the northeastern Pacific. And that's going to keep temperatures fairly a couple degrees below seasonal levels for the middle of October, with a couple of Clipper-type systems making its way across the northern tier of the country into New England. Watch warning map from last evening had a couple of clouds off the New England coast back into New England, a couple of storms off the Florida coast, a couple of storms with this current system over the middle part of the country. The rest of the country fairly quiet. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some fog advisories across about the I-35 corridor from Duluth to Minneapolis to Des Moines to Lamoni. Severe thunderstorm watch at the time over around Kansas City. A couple of warnings around as well. Flash flood watch and some wintry weather to the west. The QBF chart, though, precipitation through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing heaviest rain, as I said, will be mainly to our south across Missouri, Illinois, and then up into the Great Lakes. Around here, from about nothing to a half to 1 inch in the southeast.